Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with this beautiful pattern. It's titled Victoria Granny Square. So this is a very lacy pattern. At the same time it has got texture too, and it has floral motifs in the pattern, and it enhances the beauty of any project that we make if we include this particular pattern in our projects. So let us go into the video without much delay friends. First make a magic ring. Secure it. You can begin with chain 3. Chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet. Otherwise, you can pull up the loop to a little height, twist it, hold like this, insert the hook, pick up the loop, yarn over, pull through this loop and pull through behind the twisted loop and pull through both the loops. So this is your first double crochet, and place 31 more double crochets in the magic ring and get back. So I shall complete the 31 doubles. So totally there should be 32 doubles in the ring. So complete 32 doubles, totally 32 doubles in the magic ring. I shall also complete and get back. I have placed 32 doubles here. Now remove the hook from this loop, pull up the loop, remove the hook from the loop, insert the hook from the very first DC or the third chain of chain 3 and pick this and pull it from behind to the front and secure it. So this is a slip stitch. Now chain 7, skip 3 doubles, 1, 2, 3 in the 4th slip stitch. Again chain 7, skip 3, slip stitch in the 4th from here. So continue this pattern all around, continue this slip stitch and chain 7 all around. I shall meet you at the end of this round and the point where I began my slip stitch. I've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch to the first point where we started and fasten this off, because the next round we are going to work in the 4th chain of every 7 chain. So it won't look good if we slip stitch and go over there, or if we make 3 chains and make a treble and get back to the center, there will be a thick spot here, so the swatch will not good look, or the design pattern will not look good, and the piece will not look good. So it's best practice to fasten this off, slip stitch and fasten this off, that's it, and join the yarn again in the place indicated. Here we go. For round 3, slip stitch and join. You can use a contrast color or you can use the same color. So I am using a multicolor yarn, Aran baby cake yarn. Slip stitch and join to the 4th chain of 7 chain, and in every 4th chain we are going to make 7 doubles. So in the beginning one I am going to do only half of it, so I am going to place only 4 doubles here and come back and complete the next 3 doubles. It will widen the gap in the chain there, doesn't matter. That is what is going to add beauty to the pattern. Now I have done 4 doubles. Now straight away go to the 4th chain of the next 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you are going to place 7 doubles. So every 4th chain you are going to place 7 double crochets. So place 7 double crochets in every 4th chain of the 7 chains. Come back here and place 3 doubles and complete this point also, and slip stitch and join to the very first DC here. So I shall meet you at this particular point. I have completed round 3 and I have slip stitched from front to back. Now place a single crochet in the very first stitch here. Chain 3, skip 2 doubles. In the third and the fourth double, make two double crochets together. Chain 3. Now skip 2 and in the third, that is, this will be the center DC of the 7 DC group. In this stitch, make 1 treble, chain 5 and a treble. Now chain 3. Again we are going to do 2 DC together. Skip 2 in the third and the fourth DC. That is the last and the first DC. Last DC of this 7 DC group and the first DC of the next 7 DC group. We are going to work 2 DC together. So again the pattern begins from a single crochet. So chain 3. Here the pattern, that is stitch pattern, ends here. Single crochet in the middle DC of the 7 DC group. So continue the pattern, repeat. Chain 3, 2 DC together, chain 3, treble, chain 5, treble, chain 3, 2 DC together, chain 3, a single. So continue this pattern all around. I shall also continue and meet where I began my first stitch here. I have come to the end of this round here. Now the circular motif is converted into a square motif. Slip stitch to the first single crochet and join. So I am going to pull up this loop, remove my hook. From back to front I am going to insert the hook into that first single crochet I had done before. Pull up the loop here. Now next round it's a single crochet round. So let me place my first single crochet in the very first single here. This is my first single crochet. Under the chain 3 space, place 3 single crochets. And place 1 single crochet on top of the 2 DC together here. Again in the next chain 3 space, 3 singles. And in the corner work 3 single crochets, chain 2, 3 single crochets. Three single crochet, chain 2, three single crochet. So place 3 single crochet under each chain 3 spaces, single crochet on each of the stitches in the sides, and when you come to the corner, place 3 single crochet, chain 2, 3 single crochet. So continue this stitch pattern all around. I shall also complete and get back to you where I began my stitch here. In the corner, don't forget to place your single crochet on the treble that we made, otherwise the shape will go haywire. Place your single crochet on the treble and then place your single crochets in the chain spaces. So every stitch has got a single crochet on it. In the chain 3 spaces we have 3 single crochets. In the corners we have 3 single crochets, chain 2, 3 single crochets. So this is a stitch pattern repeat for the entire round. I have completed the single crochet round and I have slip stitched. Again next round it's going to be a single crochet round. I have slip stitched. Make a single crochet in the very first stitch and place 1 single crochet each on each of the single crochets till you reach the corner. In the corner make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Come to the corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and again start placing 1 single crochet each on each of the singles on every side. So complete the single crochet round, and this is the final round. Complete, get back, slip stitch and fasten off. I've completed the last single crochet round, and here we go. This is a beautiful Victoria granny square. So this can be done with multiple colors, changing the color round after round. And this particular piece I work with a baby cake Aran multicolor yarn. Okay, so hope you like this pattern, friends, and enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel if you are a first time viewer, and do click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.